In today's content, I'm going to walk you through the process of disabling the click that you hear prior to the phone speaking. Some users find this to be irritating or frustrating, and thankfully, BlindShell has provided a way to fix this. Note that my speech will be faster than normal, and I will not slow the speech down for these tutorials. If you want information about what we went over through this, there will be a text transcript available wherever you find this content. We'll press the back button until we hear the time.
11:45.
If you down arrow,
Call. 7.
you hear that click.
Messages. 2 of 7. Contacts. 3 of 7.
Let's go down to settings,
Settings. 5 of 7.
and we'll press OK.
Sounds. 1 of 10.
And then I'm going to press sounds.
Profiles. 1 of 7.
We'll choose option number 5
Feedback. 5 of 7.
and press OK.
Sound and vibration selected. 1 of 4.
And now you can choose if you want sound and vibration, sound only, vibration, or no sound and vibration. I'll press up once,
No sounds. No vibrations not selected. 4 of 4.
and then we'll press OK.
No sounds. No vibration selected.
And that is how you disable the clicks on the BlindShell Classic 2. If you press and hold the back button,
11:46.
and then we can press down,
Call. 1 of 7. Messages. 2 of 7. Contacts. 3 of 7.
and you don't hear any clicks on the BlindShell Classic 2. We hope you found this to be helpful. If you're interested in bringing your questions live to Unmute Presents every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern, head on over to acb.community for more information about the ACB community and how you can get involved. Don't forget to subscribe to Unmute Presents on your favorite podcast platform.